I don't want to get married.
What? Why?
I don't know. This whole arranged thing and I'm used to my freedom, you know.
So, मैं तुम्हें कहाँ arrest कर रहा हूँ?
Why do you want to marry me?
I want you in my life. I want to come home to you at the end of a long day.
What if I'm working late?
Then I want to wake up next.
What if I stay out the night?
Yeah, not every day, right?
It could be. I do work late nights.
Now you're being bloody unreasonable now.
I'm being bloody honest.
Why can't you just be normal, yeah?
What is normal, Karan?
I can't answer all these trick questions. Come on. I'm an engineer, not a philosopher. Normal is normal. What everyone does, that's normal. Happy?
Who's going to do the cooking?
I can't believe we're discussing such frivolous things.
क्यों? खाना है कि नहीं? And a normal girl will have dinner ready for her husband, no?
Okay, sure. I mean, we can get a cook. Okay. I won't be able to do anything because I have to slog till 9 at night. Otherwise, I can forget about being project manager.
And my promotion?
Of course, I want you to get a promotion. Come on, I'll be so proud of you. Shrishti, all I meant was that I can support us. And you don't have to do all this running around bullshit if you don't want to, you know.
Bullshit.
You know what I mean. Don't do this look, yaar.
What look, Karan? You think my work is bullshit?
No, of course not.
Then I can keep it.
Hey. No, forget it. Just forget it.
No, let's talk about it. Because, you know, if you're going to be married to me, you're going to have to deal with this every day, right?
Yeah, but that's going to be different.
Why? Because then I'll be your wife.
Shrishti, you're taking this the wrong way again.
Ball देना ball देना ball
Hey, remember Kichudi's wedding? We used to run around in the mandap all day. You still have the same eyes, the same smile, the same hair also.
We were 6, Karan.
But...
Have you changed in the last 20 years, Karan?
No. I still drool in my sleep and all. And listen, I still love you as much as I did then. Nothing has changed.
I don't know. I have changed so much in the last 20 years, you know.
Look, yaar, I'm exactly the same, okay? I don't understand this fucking question.
I've had sex with 3 other men apart from you.
Wow. Okay. I mean, yeah.
What?
No, nothing.
Does that bother you?
No. I mean, yeah, it's not like I enjoy hearing about that, but...
But what?
But... I didn't think you were like that, Shrishti.
Like what, Karan?
Nothing, just forget it.
I don't understand.
3 guys. Must have had a great time. No?
What's the big deal, Karan?
You know what? Fine. Okay, you've had sex. I've had sex with lots of women. Okay, what do you want to do? You want to go have orgies? Come. I'm sorry. Look, I'm mostly getting a transfer to the US next year. Maybe you can do your masters there or something.
I'm getting a foreign assignment to go to Beijing next year.
So ask for something in the US ना यार, वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ है. CNN में काम कर लो.
But I want the job in Beijing, na? It's my dream job.
Fuck, why are you being so difficult यार? तुम्हें शादी नहीं करनी है क्या?
Arey, why can't you get a job in Beijing?
Because I don't want to.
Okay. I'll stay in Beijing, you stay in the US, and we can Skype every day. What's it?
No, it doesn't work like that.
Then?
I don't know. Shrishti, life is not a fucking bed of roses, yaar, where you get everything you want to. You have to make some sacrifices.
And you?
I'm making most of them. I'm not going to get a decent meal in this house. I mean, mom hates those fucking skirts you wear. Do I say anything? Half your friends are guys. You come home whenever, however. I mean, what do I know, right?
Thanks, Karan.
You know what? This is not going to work. Can't believe I ever agreed to this bullshit. I'm calling this off.